起一击掌。
哦！
又是一个高扫踢到了对方的头部，豆丁是不会用。
哦！哦！
一个反击，没开三度，这是双方势均力敌。
哇，头断了，头断了。So at night, the light turns on and the little weed eater head thing knocks the bugs that are attracted to the light down onto the water. If you use a bug zapper, the bug zapper just totally fries the bug and there's no nutritional value. So it's awesome for the trout. They get to eat these bugs all night and, you know, come out here with an adult beverage and then watch the trout eat the bugs. It's a good time.
Check this out. Check this out. Check this out.
This is not a mug. It's actually a handheld cannon used by sailors in the 17th and 18th centuries. Known widely as thunder mugs, these devices were used by sailors to signal ships, sound alarms, and celebrate military victories with a deafening blast. Think of them like a flare gun, but 10 times louder and 100 times more dangerous. These rare pieces of history were pretty short-lived, as they were noted to have been more dangerous and unnecessary than anything else.